Alright, here we are back on our A460 project. I know we've been off this one for a while, but had some things going on. We're getting ready to start trying to wrap these heads up. We're going to do the chambers here. We're taking some of the information, and then we got to put the different intake seats in them. We're going to put some I think they're nickel bronze seats in there, and then once we get the raw seats in, we'll do the chamber cut, final up the valve job. So after this, I think we're going to build a plate that we can rough mill the deck, and then I think we're even going to move on and offset the dowel holes and slot the head bolt holes, try to get 30 or 40 thousandths offset. But that's what we're working on right now. Just getting some of the chamber information so we can make the combustion chamber program. Alright, here's some of the data we've captured so far. And this always makes me laugh because when you look straight down on it, it just looks like a bunch of grid patches. But as soon as you move it, you start seeing the 3D contour of what's really there. So definitely is can be an optical illusion, but a lot of editing to do left still. We're still but we have got a lot done. So anyway, hope you guys like this. See, we're making some progress on the A460s. All right, have a good one, guys.